Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to AFK Martial Peak demo, right, by the Outside Studio. So to start off, this is a PC only AFK, PC laptop. There's no way to AFK on console or mobile. If you're on console or mobile, I don't really have a method for that right now. I'm sorry. I don't know how you can AFK that. But if you have a PC or laptop, go grab it, keep watching, and let's get into it, right? So, there's two things you're going to need. You're going to need Auto Color Clicker by Mergy.com and OP Auto Clicker 4.0. These software are essential, and I mean essential, for doing this. If you don't have one software, it will get if you don't have one of these software, it'll get very glitchy. It might not work right. It'll be very, very impossible to do this AFK without both software at the same time. So, here's how we get these two software. We'll go through how to download them real quick. So, Auto Clicker, Auto Color Clicker, you have to download from, where is it? Here we go. autocolorclicker.com, right here. I'll also have it linked down below. You have to click this little blue download button. You'll click save. It'll get downloaded. You'll go into your downloads and you'll double tap and it'll load up. You'll click through the next. Here, I'll actually run it. You'll click on it. It'll bring you through this little wizard. You'll click. For you, it'll say install auto clicker and you'll click next. You'll have to agree to their terms of service, next again, and then install. And then it'll do a quick install, and then it won't auto open, so you will have to go searching for it in your taskbar. So OP Color Clicker, it should be the first thing to show up, and then open it, and you're set. So when Auto Color Clicker opens for the first time, you'll have a bunch of settings enabled, and there's a bunch of this weird stuff you'll have to go through. You might get a prompt or two you can click off. And so what you need to do to start off is set this and this hotkey, which is the start key, to two different keys. I mean, you could set it to the same key, but if you've got this open in the background and you don't mean for it to be used with this, or you've got this open, you don't mean for it to be used with this, it can get a little finicky. But if you do want to use these together and you want them on the same hotkey, that's cool too. I've got them set on the two different hotkeys because I play other games and use these two different softwares for different games as well and purposes. So, first I'm going to explain what Auto Color Clicker does. It's pretty self-explanatory. So, what it does is you set a screen area, which I'm going to show you what to set it to now. You set a screen area, your screen's going to go white. And what this is going to do is it's going to tell it what to search for, what little section of your screen to search through before before it clicks on what it sees, right? You don't want it to be set so that, it's, clicking some random color that's some barely matches the color you want clicked, right? It's just not a good, not a good situation. So, here's how it works. You set your screen area, you select the little button, your cultivation button down here, which, sorry, this is shown. I can't get this to do you mind? Do you mind? All right. I can't get this to force like float over other games. Like I can with this, unfortunately. But not a big deal. If you've got a second monitor, you can just put it on a second monitor, and such. So I currently have two saves. I have one called Martial Peak Demo AFK Method, and I have Unbound Cultivation Spirit AFK. That's totally different video. So quickly, I'll go through this. To set this up, you want capture screenshot, speak text, and cursor back off. Turn them off. As well as stop once match is found and match all colors turned off. I have yet to, mess with these a little more, but at some point I will. They're kind of finicky though, right? So make sure this is turned on. Make sure you've got an absurd amount of minutes put in here. So I'm just gonna throw in a bunch of numbers, just to make sure that it will go for minimum 8 hours, right? I sleep minimum 8 hours. That's what I want. Um, So that's what we want, right? I think it maxes at like 24 hours when you put like a bunch of minutes in, but I don't care. Not my problem, right? So make sure you have click on first match turned on because that's literally essential, or else this won't work. It will not work if you do not have click on match first match. Screen area, I already told you how to set that. And so I'm going to explain this. So I'm going to turn this off. This is not very important. Too many colors. This is just telling you how to remove colors manually. You just click and click, right click, and remove selected color, right? So I'm going to remove all colors real quick just to show you how this works. So I've got no colors in here. What I want to do is I want to click add color from screen. Want to take just a little snippet. I don't know if you can see that, a little snip off the bottom of this here, which I'm doing it wrong. I'm literally breaking my number one rule. Go to where you want to cultivate and then snip, because this is somewhat transparent and the color will change drastically based on your location. I'm going to take, oh, you know what? This will not remove when I resnip. So you want to remove all colors. Then you want to click add color from screen, take a little snip, right? Nothing else is in that. And you don't want to get this white section in there, because if you do, it will start clicking on random weird white, like if anything shows even slightly white, it'll automatically start clicking on it, and it'll keep spam clicking this button, and you'll never cultivate long enough. It has to be this gray, this like brownish red almost, right? And I'll explain that in a minute. Okay, so turned off, click on first match, random set of minutes. You can change your hotkeys in the edit section, and you just click keyboard shortcut and you type in what you want and hit OK. Okay, so we're done with this. We're done with auto color clicker. We're going to be moving on to OP auto clicker, which I'll show you how to get right now. OP auto clicker, I recommend if you're on Windows, go to Microsoft Store, type in OP Auto Clicker, because you will get the most updated version of OP Auto Clicker. It'll be the first one to show up, and you just click install. It is definitely one of my favorite auto clickers. I've never had any problems with it. It's amazing. You've got a little record and playback button, but it is kind of finicky. If you intend to use something like that, use Tiny Task. It's better. All right, so here's how we're going to set this up. I'm going to set it to 10 seconds just for my sake, because I'm, solid foundation 2, which is virtually nothing. So I'm going to be breaking through every 3 seconds. To change your hotkey, pretty self-explanatory. You just click here and you click start, and it'll do like a little text here, and then you type in what you want. Then you set your hotkey. All right, starting from the top, 10 seconds. I recommend 10 seconds to start off with, but if you're further in, you can set it to 1 minute. 10 seconds is more reliable. Um, Mouse button, left click, double click. 100% recommended. It's the best way to ensure that it actually clicks on the breakthrough button when it pops up on your screen here. Click repeat. Repeat until stopped. If you do this repeat one, it is going to get buggy and you can't force stop it at all. So if you set it to like 9999999, it will click that many times and you won't be able to do anything with your computer. It'll lock it and it'll be a bad situation. Cursor position, it's auto set to current location, I believe. I recommend setting it to this right one, which is pick location. Now, when you're picking the location, you want to estimate / guesstimate where your breakthrough is going to be, which I have it right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn on cultivation. I'm going to pick location, and I'm going to pick right in the center of my breakthrough button. Now that my location is picked, which you should be able to just copy these coordinates down, because there should be no changes on your computer. X and Y coordinates don't change computer to computer. So if you want to copy these, you can, or if you just want to do it manually because it's being a little weird, you can do that too. All right, that's all for OP Auto Clicker. Now, I kind of wanted to speed run this, but we can't. So now that we've got both of these set, what I'm going to do is Alt F for my OP Auto Clicker. It's going to do the brown, and I'm going to do F8, which is then my auto color clicker. And look, my cursor immediately teleports to the color, to the button. So what it is doing is spam clicking my cultivation button. See how it's doing that little teleport thing? It's spam clicking my cultivation. As soon as my cultivation starts, it stops clicking because it no longer detects this red, which it got a little buggy there. I don't know why it clicked. Which I just realized what my issue was. For some reason, my cursor did not teleport up to the breakthrough and it clicked on the cultivation. No big deal. It would immediately fix itself due to the auto click as soon as brown is detected. If that does ever happen, you might have to do some resetting just to make sure everything's working properly. Boom, cultivation is reactivated. All right, that should be it. I taught you how to download both softwares, taught you how to set both softwares up, and I showed you how they work. I believe that's everything for this video. I will see you in the next one. That's if you really want to come back. If you are happy with what I have shown you today, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want. I don't post often, but I'm going to try to get into this more. Peace out, gang.